Hi, you're a digital leader and you've been paying attention to the shifts in the marketplace. You paid attention way back in 2019 when Gartner said that companies should adopt a composable DXP, digital experience platform strategy, in order to future proof their stacks tomorrow. Well, tomorrow is today, and you've noted the shifts in the marketplace towards Jamstack and composable DXP. Well, what do those terms even mean? Why do they matter? And how do you explain to your team why they should care? How are you going to make the transition from your monolithic DXP towards a more composable future? You've got those sorts of questions, and the experts at Conobos have some answers. Answers that we'd love to share with you and your team in a no obligation composable DXP roadmap presentation and workshop. There's no catch. Just click the link below, and whether you do the work yourselves, with another vendor, or with Conobos, we'll be pleased to provide your team with actionable insights to help inform your 2022-2023 roadmap towards composability. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.